So I'm running through all the checks here on my M116 engine, the 380 SL. This is an 84 model, so it's got the double row timing chain. And something odd about this engine is that it had a plastic valve cover on the driver's side and not on the passenger side. So I know at some point in the past, someone's been inside this engine. Now, when I first took the valve cover off, this chain had quite a bit of slop. I mean, I could push it up here and it would just about almost touch that this piece of the head here. And on the inside of the valve cover, you can actually see it looks like there's chain witness marks, but that could be from, you know, a past encounter. Maybe it wasn't this chain, maybe it wasn't this car, because that valve cover isn't original to this car. These guides look like they're somewhat new. They're a little bit oil stained, but they're more white than brown. And when I rotate to line up those two marks there, see if you can see, we're like dead on 0 degrees. And now, having rotated a little bit, that's pretty tight there. That doesn't really want to move all that much, so I'm new to these cars. I need some input on what would you do. Also, the oil tubes are pretty well set in there, so they're not loose. So maybe this engine's been done before, I don't know. I don't have any records that the timing chain was changed. The car has 120, almost 125,000 miles. So, we'll see.